Sometimes we feel unwell, sometimes we feel ill. Temperatures and headaches, aches and pains and chills. Tell a grown-up who can help, they'll look after you. They'll suggest that you rest, maybe give you medicine too. If they do, then open up and swallow it all down. Medicine can be yellow or white, pink or brown. Sometimes it tastes okay, and other times not so. But it's always for the best, it makes the illness go. Sometimes we feel unwell, sometimes we feel ill. Temperatures and headaches, aches and pains and chills. Remember, always ask an adult before you take any medicine. Sometimes we feel unwell, sometimes we